The issues were with the power balance that I had mostly, which was how they could randomly use moves to one-shot people, and then they struggled in like when they faced monsters before on, or even after that. I don't know why they did just for a cool moment, like Trevor lighting his whip on fire. I mean,
it's
one shot, done.
mostly an emotional this thing which
Yeah.
seemed very unnecessary considering.
Yeah, and Sifa was like, "Ooh, it's time! Now
Yeah, I know.
Avatar!"
After a point, she
Throwing
sees
ice
like someone
spikes,
get a
turning
cut or
them into
something like
water.
everything around her just
Yeah.
explodes.
Yeah,
It just seemed a bit out of
I know.
balance. Yeah.
yeah. It felt like I'm pressing game abilities. When I'm controlling the character, I'm like, "Oh, like use fire now, use water now." It didn't seem
maybe
like
that
a
is the
real
idea.
character.
Apparently, Sypha in the game was overpowered as shit, which is why they carried it over to the.
Cypher wasn't in the game. At least in the games
She-
I played, Cypher wasn't
She
there.
was. I looked into it.
Huh?
So the reason she's so overpowered in the anime is because the at least I don't know if her name is Sypha in the game, but
No, it's
whoever
not
the
Cypher.
equivalent
There
was
is a
supposed-
magician who is related to the Belnades clan in the game, yeah. But
yeah,
it's not
so
Cypher.
she was apparently overpowered, and they carried over the same magic.
Yeah, exactly.
abilities.
That's what I.
to
Yeah,
keep
she had
that.
the spikes and everything in the game, the ice spikes. I remember.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Mhm.
So and they also show that she like they've also I saw a few people talking about it, and
Hmm.
basically what they said was like you really, it's not like they hide Sypha's power at all. It's just that she becomes more comfortable using it and more creative while using it, and she's actually using the same firepower that she was using from the start. While earlier she would just throw shit at people and expect it to
Yeah.
do the job, later on she just became more creative at molding it and making it fly all over the place and
No,
all
but
that
the
stuff.
amount of energy that you take, like she was just not using it in the beginning because she's like, oh, I want to struggle longer fighting
it's-
these demons.
It's more like it's more like you know how when it's like the whole katana thing where beginners just try to use force to just hack away at something thinking that's the best way to do it.
But like
But a
technique
master
refines
knows
it.
that your technique can just like use lesser energy while doing more. It's sort of like that. So earlier she was just like bam, 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 firepower, throw fireballs at
see.
people, and then later on she was like, oh, I can actually just like mold it in such a way that it'll be easier for me to fight.
No,
but
but
it
then
wasn't
fight
that
more
later.
that
people.
still doesn't
It
answer.
wasn't that later on. They didn't show. She's like one fight. She's just like she.
Yeah,
no,
but
because
there
you
was
see
a
fights,
pretty significant time skip between
No, but
the
you
time
see
they show
fights
her.
where she's destroying demons with a lot of power, and then after that you see her struggle again. Like if you already are
Like, with
comfortable,
who?
like even before, like when she's in the cave, fighting all those monsters, like in the end, all that.
The cave.
cave.
Remember
meaning
in the
The
underground,
Nichu, the
this
underground thing. Huh?
Yeah.
when they open, like you see her struggle a lot more over there, and before that when she's fighting monsters, like she does it pretty easily.
She doesn't struggle there at all. She's actually protecting everyone else while fighting. her
No,
own
but the
monsters.
point
Yeah,
is,
but she's not-
she can. She shows that in the end that she can just take out like 20 enemies in one move. Why not just do that right in the beginning? She has the capability. She has the energy
power
for
spikes seem too this thing for me. Like I didn't see her struggle at all. It was like comfortable. It's like, yeah, I know this shit. Cool. If you're saying she's learning, she did this like. I would have liked
No,
to
it's not.
see
I'm not
her
saying she's
learn
learning. I'm
those.
saying she just adapted her skills in different ways to make it easier for her to fight. So she was always that powerful. That's what they were trying to imply
Yeah,
with
that's
the
what-
whole
yeah.
speaker magician thing. That they
Mhm.
were very powerful beings in general, the ones who could use magic at least, not just the general speaker.
Hmm.
But the speaker magicians are like really powerful, and she just wasn't as experienced using her powers
Oh, wait, so
efficiently.
she's already like really OP.
Already really OP. She just uses her
Oh.
powers better after a point.
That's
That's
they
that's,
should
that's
have
what people
yeah,
are
I didn't
assuming because the
assume
game
it.
Sypha
Yeah,
is
that's what they.
OP
I think.
from the start.
I think they left a lot for us to assume from the game.
So
though.
if that's the
Yeah.
case,
Like,
then
at
that
least
means
if
that
I see this standalone.
that's the case. That
It-
means that
they
girl.
tried
I
to
mean,
revamp the
see,
game.
it kind of makes sense because when you watch, so just to take Dragon's Blood as an example again, you don't really understand why there are dragon knights who are fighting things because if you know Dota lore, you're like, yeah, Dragon Knight, yeah, makes sense, of course. He was fighting dragons and other guys like him exist. And then if you look at Mirana going into the Dire Stone, looking at the Dire Stone and slowly becoming entranced by it, and you see the other humans becoming creeps. When you're watching Dragon's Blood, you're going to be like, dude, what the hell is this? I don't
Yeah,
understand
that's what-
anything. But then if you know the game, you're like, that's a Dire Stone!
Yeah, but it should
Or even-
also work on its own, I would say. Like, it shouldn't always rely on another form of media, because everyone who's coming is not coming from the game.
Yeah, but I feel like Castlevania
Mhm.
does do a good job because you never see sci-fi like having weak magic. It's always strong magic. It just
Yeah, but
evolves.
it's the
through-
amount of energy and amount of magic she's putting out keeps increasing drastically throughout, right? Like, at one
I'm-
time she's
that's
like
what- that's what I'm
flying
not-
and she's like throwing. I'm like, yo, what the hell?
Yeah, that's what I'm not sure about because she
Hmm.
uses a lot of magic right at the
Yeah.
start, and you never show her exhausted after using
Yeah,
magic.
she's
so
never-
it doesn't seem
yeah.
to take a toll on your body.
Yeah, it's and even the scene. Remember, like the demon is flying away half burned.
Hmm.
Like if she can fly, if she can just throw a fireball, which she's done before. She's thrown a fireball, just like
She's
take
not
it
even
down.
thrown fire, but she's thrown fire streams before. She's basically
Yeah.
she burnt fields down just by going full
Was that
Vegeta
just
style.
part of the story? They just wanted Dracula
they,
to
they have a
find
lot.
out.
They have a lot of lazy
Yeah,
story
so they were
points
like,
in multiple
let
places
him
for
escape.
Sure.
Yeah.
We
And
need
even
to move the story along.
yeah. Even towards the end, dude, like when Belmont has to fight Death, right?
Yeah.
Like Saifa and Alucard could have easily jumped and gone on the other side. She can fly, he can
So-
levitate, he can Kaioken. Like they just wanted to create the last boss moment, like in the game with Death.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also the thing there is, like the only thing I can imagine is
Hmm.
that Belmont knew that Saifa was pregnant, so he was like, "You don't name that shit Trevor or something.
Yeah.
I'm gonna come back
Yeah,
and
yeah,
kill you."
yeah.
And then she's like, "If I go there and I die along with him, this baby dies as well. So let me not die with the idiot who jumped into death himself
Yeah, he jumped into
Hmm.
Death. Yeah.
with no plan."
Hmm. And
And let me
Alucard is
just-
also like, oh yeah, I guess I can easily go there faster than you, but it's okay.
It's
You
okay.
can go like kill yourself.
Yeah, I mean, see, that's the thing. Like, if I were Alucard at that point, and I saw this idiot going, and he's like, okay, like Belmont had the choice to jump, and
Yeah. Even he could have
good-
jumped back exactly. Yeah.
But then he was like, I shall be a hero. I shall fight death. If I was Alucard, I'd be like, really, moron? You decided to go fight the human depiction of death itself with a giant scythe that can cut you by
Yeah.
just touching you. I'd be like, you're on your own, man. I'm done. I'm not going to do this.
Yeah, but he
I'm
looked
just going to-
worried. He was like, "Oh no, you're going." Like he actually
Yeah,
looked
like-
like he
like if-
wanted to join the
If you
fight.
were already jumped
Yeah.
jumped off a cliff, I'd be like, oh no, they are definitely dead.
Yeah.
I'm not going to jump after you.
You
I
should.
probably would. I have a death
Yeah.
wish.
I know,
but
yeah.
still.
Still seems strange how they behave in
Yeah.
even like okay, I understand why they did it. So you know the part where Belmont finds the Hindu weapon, right? Where we got
The Rajput
one with
weapon, yeah.
Yeah, the Rajput weapon. So we know he has it, and it's properly set up that he's going to use it.
Hmm.
But they had to save it till the end of the fight to be like this oh so cool moment where he just whips it out and kills
Yeah, I don't know why
him.
they make
could
him
have
use
used that
basic
before.
bitch weapons when he has the fucking
Yeah.
thingy on
It-
him.
it's-
Like if you do the game, I'd be like, I
Again, if
have
you-
this. Why would I be using my first sword? I just throw that away and use this instead.
And see, that's the thing. If when you play games like I do, you use your shit swords for as long as possible, and then you're like, now it's too tough for me to kill these bosses. Time to take out the big guns, and then I
Yes.
fight
See.
with them.
Just use the big gun and get
Yeah, I
on
know,
with
right?
it.
Hey, that's no fun. It's like playing the Deadpool
Yeah, it's
game
just-
where you
see,
have the giant
again-
hammers. The game is just easy
Yeah,
after that point.
Yeah, but
you
you're
know?
seeing it as a game. If you see it as a show and imagine Belmont
Yeah,
in that
yeah, I know.
situation.
I'm agreeing with the show.
Yeah,
I'm just
yeah,
saying, like, if you play the game that way, that's how I would play it.
Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, if I played the game also, I understand that. It's
Hmm.
more fun to fight them. Like if you use cheats and one shot, it gets very boring.
Hmm.
I understand.
Except for Pokemon.
Even Pokemon kinda gets boring.
Ha! Never!
But
Hey,
the
played it too many times with that shit.
the
Sorry, Nintendo, we buy everything legally, but